Christina's here, and today I would like to show you how to create arbitrary pad shapes in Autodesk Eagle. So here we have two examples, pad number 1 and pad number 2. Pad number 1 has a off-angled edge here, and pad number 2 has a rounded edge. And I'll show you there's two different methods you can use to create those. So let's go ahead and go to here we go. Let's go ahead and go to creating this pad number 1. So the first thing that you want to do is create the polygon shape, and you want to make sure that your line width is quite small. So here I've selected 0.001 for my line width. You also want to make sure that your wire bin style is number 2. So let's go ahead and create that polygon. So with the polygon tool selected, we're going to go ahead and start at the origin, so 0, 0. And then my measurements are 0.2. The next coordinate is 0.34.2. Next coordinate is 0.50. And the next coordinate after that is back to the origin, 0, 0. I must have typed those numbers in wrong because here we have a awkward shape. We'll go ahead and try that again. So let's go ahead and go 0, 0. And 0.2 and 0.34, 0.2 and 0.50 and back to the origin, 0, 0. Okay, we got it right this time. So the next thing you want to do, we're going to go ahead and transform this pad number 3 to look like pad number 1. Next thing that you're going to want to do is reduce the size of the pad. So let's go ahead and go to the information, go to the properties, and here we have it as 0.5. We're going to change it to 0.3. Then we're going to go ahead and move it over. You can always do this after you create the pad, but just for this example, I'm going to go ahead and do it that way. Go ahead and group, and you're going to want to go shift, click over this polygon. And then you're going to want to select move. Now right click, and you want to select move group. So we're going to move this group. We're going to place it right on top of the pad number 3. And it's just become pad number 3. So that's how you can do a pad with an angled edge. Okay, now we're going to change pad number 4 so that it looks like pad number 2. This one uses a different technique. So let's go ahead and use this line. And we want our line to have the same radius as our pad. So let's go ahead and look at the pad width. So selecting, going to properties, our pad width is 0.2 here. So we're going to go ahead and have a line width of 0.2. Let's go ahead and go back to the line. And the line width is 0.2 here. We'll go ahead and do it at the origin. So you can do it as long as you want, but let's just go ahead and do it about 2 clicks here. There's escape. We're going to go ahead and group this. Shift, group. And we're going to go ahead and move this. It looks like it's selecting here, so I'm going to go ahead and escape out of that. We're going to try that one more time. So group, here we go. Select all of that. We're going to go ahead and move. Oh, but wait, we didn't make number 4, pad number 4 smaller. Let's go ahead and fix that first. So let's go to properties. We'll go ahead and do 0.3 again. Make it smaller. Go ahead and move it over. All right, now we're ready. Let's go ahead and move this group. Oh, see, that's what happens when you don't group it. So let's go ahead and shift, group, move right click, move group. I'm going to move it right on top of number 4. Looks like I should have made it a little bit bigger. But here we go. Here's pad number 4. It's a little bit shorter than pad number 2, but you can get the idea. We could have fixed it just by making the line a little bit longer. So I hope that's helped you today, and good luck with your PCB design.